Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is a Tuesday, 22nd of June 2021. We had a blessing day today. Amazing analysis, a beautiful trade guys, and most of my traders bank amazing pips. Let me share with you guys how I help my traders through live intraday analysis to bank those amazing pips. So let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. So let's dig in straight to the EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. EURUSD. If you look at the EURUSD 4-hour chart, as you can see from yesterday, we were long and banked beautiful pips. And today we had some correction, and afterwards we had a beautiful long trade on breakout long trade. Just before that news, we had a beautiful long trade on EURUSD. And if you look at right now, the price has developed some sort of, like you can see here, inverted head and shoulder pattern. Let's see tomorrow guys how the market is going to react, but right now you can see it's looked like the price developed inverted head and shoulder pattern. All right, so let me share with you guys the analysis today, analysis, intraday analysis. And if you look at the EURUSD, and if you look at, we have two trades. One is counter short trade. As you can see, this was the analysis at the Asian session when the price hit this previous level. You can see here previous high, and that's what I explained to my trader, possibility of counter short trade. And that's what I did this analysis, explain to my trader, if the price is going to break the recent low, then we should be considered counter short trade based on the 4-hour, because the price was as the previous high. So you can see here breakout. After the breakout, safest trade is always be pull back short trade here, and we bank some profit as soon as the price hit this support level. You can see here, that's what we explained to trader, price developing is double bottom, so it's time to bank some profit. So we bank beautiful profit on counter short trade. And at the New York session, when I explained to my trader, look, the prices develop double bottom, so the safest way, price also develop a triangle pattern, but the most safest way, if the price is going to break the previous high or this low, then we should be taking a short trade here or long trade here based on the breakout. But the price was above the 200 EMA, we more likely be interested about the long. As you can see here, just before that testify high impact news we had, because momentum was developed bullish, we had a weak statement for the dollar. As you can see here, beautiful breakout long trade as soon as the price hit, you can see here 23.6 fib level at this level in 4-hour, and that's what exactly I explained to my trader. You can see exactly this level that I explained to my trader is time to bank some profit. So we had a beautiful counter short trade and beautiful breakout long trade. Again, based on the 4-hour, you can see price was at the support level, counter short trade respected, valid technical entry, as you can see after the breakout. Then afterwards, we explained to trader, price developing a correction, possibility of price is going to respect this level. As you can see here, safest way to look this entry, and you can see here price nicely broken the previous high. Beautiful long trade on EURUSD. All right, let's dig into the pound dollar. We had amazing trades on pound dollar too, guys. Let's share. If you look at the 4-hour chart, as you can see here in my yesterday analysis, as I mentioned, we had a beautiful long trade here yesterday. We bank amazing profit, guys. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis, watch, the link is given in the video description. So today we had some reversal, and afterwards you can see here beautiful long trade here again. Even in pound dollar, if you look at inverted head and shoulder pattern is developing it. We'll see tomorrow, guys, if the price is going to hit 140,000 level or not. We'll let you know tomorrow. Let me share with you the today's intraday analysis. If you look at here, in the morning we were short, and afternoon we were long. As you can see here, this is the analysis in the just before London Open. As you can see here, before the price developed, you can see here, I also mentioned in the morning in intraday, look at in the 4-hour, the price was at the previous high. And then in intraday, I mentioned to my trader, look, price develop head and shoulder pattern. as you can see here, and I threw live analysis too. Look for this breakout. But from base, once the price develop, if you look at this candle, the price developed bearish engulfing candle at the resistance level. That's the good sign for short. But we need a valid technical entry. You can see here price broken. As soon as the price broken, this triangle pattern, look at the bottom, momentum was developing bearish. Then I explained to trader, look, this is confirmed head and shoulder pattern. We're going to be enjoying it short trade until the price going to hit this level, which priced nicely. You can see breakout, pullback, short trade, and we banked beautiful pips. And at that level, once the price was developing double bottom at the support level, then I explained to my trader, it's time to bank profit, enjoying pipping. Okay, so at the New York session, you can see here, price reverse, and I explained to my trader that possibility price might gonna continue short, but the price is above the 200 EMA. Momentum is developed bullish. We'll see the news. If the news is good for dollar, probably gonna short. Of the bad, then we're going to long. But these are the levels we should be expecting a pullback based on the price action. Let me explain to you what's the price action. We have a double bottom, price nicely broken, previous high, so we're expecting at this level pullback. You can see here pullback. So what happened? Price nicely respected, pullback. And I also mentioned look for the scaling trade breakout. This one we have pullback, price developed double bottom, give us a gain, confidence, momentum is bullish. We had this breakout, beautiful. And afterwards, based on the momentum, I explained my trader just keep taking a pullback towards the momentum. As you can see here afterwards, beautiful. And price nicely develop another pullback. I explained to my trader this is the level. If the price is going to hit to the Bollinger Band and this resistance level, keep taking a banking some profit. As you can see, as soon as the price hit, we banked beautiful pips, and most of my traders really enjoyed it. All these trades, guys, as you can see here, we analyze in a 4-hour high time frame, define the market sentiment, buys, and looking exact entry and exit through intraday system, which I explain in more detail. That's what we do every single day, guys. We really enjoyed most of my traders. All right, let's move into the dollar CAD, guys. Dollar CAD, we had interesting trades. You can see here, let me share. If you look at yesterday, we were short from here. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis, link is given in the video description. So we were short, banked beautiful profit. We have this bullish engulfing candle at the support level. We were expecting at least price gonna hit this level and then short. But let me share with you how I did analysis, and technically we were short. We had a one small long trade, but which we came out at the break even, and then we had a short trade here. Let me share with you guys. That was an interesting trade because we were, one of my trader was expecting the price might gonna come back. And let me share with you the analysis and the story, little story about that. If you look at here, I explained to my trader, guys, that's what I can see it right now. The momentum is developed. Okay, guys, the momentum is developed bullish. So possibility we might going to see this nice long trade here. The price might gonna hit this level, which is 124,400 level. As you can see, I did this analysis. Price nicely came back and developed pullback. As soon as the price hit this level, of course, then I mentioned to my trader, it's time to consider tightening your stop loss or move your stop loss at the break even. And afterwards, the price came back. As soon as the price came back, one of my trader was asking, probably is going to come back. And I said, look, guys, it's not about what we think, what we see it. So if we're going to take a short trade, and that's why instantly I update this analysis for one of my trader. I explained, look for this breakout, and explained to my trader, look for this breakout if the price is going to. What happened here? Once the price develop double top here, as you can see here, and that's what my trader explained. Now probably possibility of short trade here, but we need a valid technical entry, and that's what I explained to my analysis. Look, if the price is going to break this level, then take a short trade here. You can see here breakout, and after the breakout, if you look at very carefully, after the breakout, price came back and retest. That's what exactly we need, a perfect entry. That's retest give us the confirmation that the price might gonna continue, and we have taken this another trade here, and then another trade here, then another short trade here. Once we rectify the direction, then it's easy for us to take a pullback, which is high probability trade. You can see here we have beautiful, and later on at this level news also supported to this pair, and we have another beautiful pullback short trade. As you can see here, that's what I explained to my trader. Bank, look for 123,000 level to bank some profit as soon as the price about to hit that level. That's what I explained to my trader. It's time to bank some profit. That's what exactly we do it, guys. We communicate with the traders and find the high probability trades. Once we confirm, then we rectify the trend and buys in 4 hour, and then we identify the entries and exit in intraday system. And that's what you can see here. We had amazing trades today, guys. Most of my traders have really enjoyed it. And if you look at all of them, consider banking. Look at this Kiwi dollar. Beautiful breakout, momentum bullish, nice trade here. And if you look at dollar Swiss franc, we had this one very late entry, but beautiful breakout short trade, bank beautiful pips. And then if you look at the euro yen, we had a beautiful trade. You can see here pullback, beautiful long trade here. Aussie dollar, we had amazing trade. You can see here beautiful. You can see a pretty straightforward, guys. This is a symmetric triangle pattern. Again, we're watching 4 hour. Based on that, we had amazing trades on pound yen. You can see here that was a beautiful trade. If you look at here, explain to trader, look for another pullback at this level. You can see here beautiful pullback, then another pullback, then another pullback, because we had a very good, because even in 4 hour we explained to trader head and shoulder pattern is developed in pound yen. You can see here this is inverted head and shoulder pattern. That's what we communicate in real time, so the trader, they can understand, they can learn in real time. That's the main objective, guys. You can see here we had amazing trades today. Beautiful. Most of my traders bank amazing profit. They really enjoyed. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis review. The most important thing, guys, you should be watching all that analysis in the real time and practicing it in the real time and get funded. If you show us they're performing very well, we can also help you to get funded from the prop firm. So if you are interested how I train my traders through live intraday analysis in real time, feel free to book one-to-one consultation, which is completely free. And my availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Or even if you are experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it, because this is all price action trading, guys. You're gonna enjoying it. You will enjoy the pipping alongside with my professional traders. So most welcome, guys. Join my fast growing trader community. Once again, guys, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Until next time, all the best.